If you've ever felt like technology issues eat away at your day, you're not alone. Even a company with just 100 employees can lose over $1,000 every single day in wages due to IT downtime. That's time and money your team should be spending on growth, not glitches. As Randall Martinez, Vice President of Technical Services at IT Pros Management, puts it, it's no surprise that nearly 90% of small and mid-sized enterprises are already using or seriously considering a managed services provider to keep their systems running smoothly. So, what does that actually mean for you? Managed IT services take the stress of technology off your shoulders. Instead of waiting for something to break, you have a dedicated team that keeps your systems monitored, secure, and performing at their best, around the clock. It's not just about fixing problems faster, it's about preventing them in the first place. From automating processes like employee onboarding and data backups to managing cybersecurity and cloud systems, a managed services partner helps your business run smarter. Whether you're a small business trying to stretch your IT budget, a growing company looking to scale, or a larger organization managing complex systems, the right provider helps you cut costs, strengthen security, and free up your team's time for what matters most: driving results. Since 2011, IT Pros Management has helped businesses like yours move from reactive to proactive, from firefighting to future-focused. To dive deeper into how managed IT services can protect your data, reduce costs, and fuel growth, read the full article on our website. And don't forget, you can add this episode to your Spotify playlist to listen again anytime.